session. Basically, just want to quickly go through actually three servers that are configured in a HA mode, right? HA, yeah. And within the OCI region, let's say this is in Seoul, right? And first of all, you're gonna have a virtual cloud network. Virtual cloud network, typically we will have two subnet created. One's a public and the other the private. The difference is that the public subnet, you can attach a public IP to any one of the resources that deploy in the public subnet. And for that, that's why we don't deploy to the public subnet, but in the private subnet. So usually this is where your public-facing applications can deploy, right? We need a virtual machine or container or Kubernetes or whatever, and they talk to the database in the same virtual cloud network. Okay, so so public-facing application that typically will have a load balancer to load balance your application, yeah, and from there you have a secure access to the database, and via a read-write endpoint, which is like this diagram. Essentially, this is the read-write endpoint, the private IP that talk to the cluster. Okay, so this is for the public application. And for on-premises, if you customers or you're running a on-premises application, typically you will set up the connectivity, a secure channel, site-to-site virtual private network using the internet. This is one of the cost-effective way, right, to establish a secure network of your on-premises data center with the Oracle Cloud using site-to-site VPN. Or if you want to have a more predictable, latency kind of network between your data center and OCI Cloud, we have a solution called the Fast Connect. I think this comes with 1 gigabit per second or 10 gigabit per second configuration, dedicated channel to talk to from your data center to us. So with this, you can connect securely into the database, right? So your application, this is as if this is in your local network. Okay, so all your local application to go through the secure channel to talk to the database. So essentially, this is the architecture, how you would design, be it a public-facing application or a hybrid cloud, with the on-prem and Oracle Cloud infrastructure. So that is a single Oracle Cloud region. You can also build a multi region type of solution where you have a backup of a database in another region in case you want to load balance or fill over your application. If any one of the application or database is down, you could build another region with replication from your main database to the other region. Okay. Here I don't really have the full stack, but essentially you can build a highly scalable, reliable application in the Oracle Cloud. Okay, so database will be replicated via the MySQL replication to the database in another region. Let's say this is in Seoul, and this is in Chuncheon, and you can have a standby application, and you can have a load balancer, and this can possibly using a DNS failover to both the region. And underneath, because we are the database people, so we spend a bit more detail in the database layer. But essentially, you can build a globally reliable application on Oracle Cloud. And put this all together, right? So you can have a very highly available and cater for your needs, like be it a public-facing application or a on-premise application using the MySQL HeatWave on Oracle Cloud. Okay, so I hope that quickly give you a brief idea of how you can start using MySQL HeatWave, and also have this architectural concept of how you can scale both your application and database on the Oracle Cloud, and also the various network connectivity options that you might have. Just quickly to talk about, I think we know about this load balancer, but essentially this component is really to network the two regions together, right? The private, the multiple cloud network together in the Oracle Cloud environment. Okay, so this is quite easily done, but this is one of the essential components to connect the two different OCI regions together. Okay, I hope very quickly that gives you, the architecture perspective.